welcome to kekaneat, and today we are going for round two with Pizza Hut. You feel me? So I have the meat lovers pizza, honey barbecue, and buffalo hot. And to drink, I have a can of Mountain Dew. Now, some people don't drink Mountain Dew because of the color. They say that soda should not be that color, but I don't care, and I drink it. And I didn't want to waste a plate or anything, so I put some smooth ranch dip by the brand Lay's on a little bowl top, and I'm gonna dip my boneless wings in it. And we cannot forget the handy dandy Parmesan. I'm so extra, y'all, but yeah. Oh. Then it's brand new, so I have to open it. Anywho, if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm struggling a little bit. Y'all, I don't know where my energy been going, but it has been going down, down, down. I'll just put that over there. Let's go ahead and sprinkle this on here. And y'all, I like a lot. All right. Which one do I want to try first? I don't want y'all to think that I'm being stingy with the food, because I realize I haven't shared with y'all in like some weeks. So for the honey barbecue, even though this is my first time trying this flavor with Pizza Hut, I'm gonna go ahead and let you take the first bite, because that just shows how much I love you. Here, take a bite. Did you get a bite? Did you get a bite? What are y'all cooking today? Or what are y'all going out to eat? Where starting? Okay. Okay. It's good, y'all. I probably should have got more of the honey barbecue, but I wanted to play it safe, y'all. So, I only got two. Of course, we have more here, but I gave them away. Anywho. Okay. So, honey barbecue. I gotta remember to get more next time. I like that they didn't fry them too hard. I don't know if they fry these. Do they put these in the oven or do they fry them? I don't know. If you know that, leave a comment down below and let me know. I'm doing good. I really hope that y'all are doing okay on this very beautiful, blessed day. Okay. Time for something to drink, because I'm thirsty now. Do y'all drink Mountain Dew? Y'all know what I just realized? I was supposed to try my pizza with the fruits, but whatever, I can just do it another time. I would have got the cheesy crust, but I haven't had pan pizza in so long. Because you can't get cheesy crust and pan pizza. So if you get cheesy crust, it's going to be the thin layer pizza. But the pan, thick crust, It's good. Okay. Okay. I did good. Now let's try this buffalo. Now I try the buffalo hot. Hopefully it's not too hot, y'all. But if it's too hot, I won't be finishing it. That's all I'm telling y'all. I don't need my stomach being messed up. I don't know. It's hot. But it's not too overwhelming. I can definitely feel it though. But since I only have a few, I can stand it. I can stand it. Whew. I probably should have got a water, y'all. Because that soda ain't helping. Well, the song of the day is going to be All the Way Home by Tamar Braxton. And look, y'all, we just did a song by her sister yesterday. Who do you think is the better singer? Tamar Braxton or Toni Braxton? When Tamar came out, people was really hating on her and saying that she couldn't sing, and she had somebody hitting those high notes for her, but when I believe she had a singing session on one of the earlier seasons of Family Braxton Values, and she was in there hitting them notes. So I guess that put that all to rest. But even now, some people still feel like that's not her. I don't know who it's supposed to be. Because she got money, but I don't know who she paying to be out on the road with her and to secretly hit those notes for her. Unless she's like lip singing, but I'm going to say it's her, okay? I wonder if her new boo is going to be on this season of Family Braxton Values. It's good. Okay. So, what's going on with Toni Braxton and Birdman? Because they were engaged, and then before you know it, they called it off. And, you know, she was performing. She had a tour going on. And he just magically popped up. And then all of a sudden, you see them back together. So, are they back? Ooh, excuse me. Are they back engaged? Or are they just, like, trying to work things out? I had no idea that she was into the bad boy type. I remember on the episode when okay, I'm trying to eat, talk, and not choke, okay? When she called him to come and help her do something for the wedding, and he was like, I'm gonna let you do that. I'm gonna let you take care of it. I just want to show up. He just wanted to make sure that she had some kind of food, like a few of the foods that he liked. Other than that, he said she could do whatever she wanted. She was a bit annoyed, and I could tell, and I understand why, because men always feel like they don't have to help throughout the wedding or any planning. They want to leave it all up to the woman. But in reality, you don't have to be there every step of the way. But if she asks you to come to a certain thing, or even like cake tasting, or any little thing, then I feel like you should support. She's not asking for a lot, but because she was filming, she was like, She was like, he doesn't want to do it. But in reality, she was really mad. I didn't even know they knew each other, but she said, what she called him? B. I think his name is Brian. She was like, yeah, I known B for a long time. Girl, nobody calls him B. I guess unless you're Tamar Braxton, right? This crust, I like it that they're not overcooked. I'm not gonna say overcooked, but burn my crust. Cause you can't go to every Pizza Hut. You gotta know which one to go to. I'm just saying. Cause some of them is full of kids and they play too much. I don't let you play that with my pizza. And if your manager not gonna say nothing, then I'd rather just not be there. You feel me? I feel like we're gonna be, no, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make this stretch. Because I knew I should have opened up another can and just put it in here, but whatever. I didn't, so I gotta make do with what I have. It's good. It's good. Now, I'm about a week or two late. But anywho, I'm here now, you feel me? So, did y'all watch the BET Social Awards? I think that's what it was called. And it was hosted by DC Young Fly and Just Hilarious. When you haven't had pizza in a while, and it's what you've been wanting, the only thing that's not on here is my mushrooms, but it's still good. Ooh, excuse me. I ate the crust, look. Okay. So, a lot of those people, they have to be some good characters, because when they showed up, I had no idea who those people were until they showed the little clips for whatever they do on either Facebook or Instagram. I'm just saying. But why didn't they advertise it like they do for the BET Awards? Do you feel like it was low budget? Because I didn't hear anyone talking about it. I take it back. Before it came on, Just Hilarious, she was on Instagram. Y'all, can y'all believe I still don't know how to work Instagram? I done had it for like a few months, but once I know how to work it and how to do different things, then I'll create a kekaneat Instagram. But until then, I'm just going to continue to use my personal Instagram until I can get the gist of it. Because, excuse me, all I know how to do is scroll up and down. I had trouble with posting pictures on there. I think I only have like, what, 3 or 4 pictures on there? Yeah, I think I only have like 3 or 4 pictures on there. So that tells you how much I've been struggling. And I think I may have messaged like maybe 1 or 2 people on there. That's it. I've heard people say when you double tap, so I do know how to double tap to like put the little heart symbol or something to show that you like it. But other than that, that's it. But I thought it just hilarious mentioning it a few times on Instagram. I don't see no commercials. So, what happened? Who dropped the ball? Now, what I am thinking is that because it was a social award for people like on social media or whatever, they expected it to be like word of mouth through social media. But I still feel like the marketing could have been better. Y'all, I feel like I have to talk a little bit louder because y'all know when I film, that's when the kids want to come outside. So if it sounds like I'm screaming, and if you can hear a whole bunch of noise, I definitely apologize. I just want to make sure that you're still able to hear me. Okay? Okay. Yeah, so, And I didn't watch the whole thing. I only watched a little bit of it because it wasn't entertaining to me. I don't know. And then, like, none of the big stars went to support them. My thing is, you support them on social media, and maybe they have had something to do. But I feel like a few of the big stars could have went out to support them. I don't know. So, anywho, people were finally recognized. They got their awards. I'm happy for them. Hopefully, if there is going to be one next year, I just hope that they market it better. And I'm just going to leave it at that. Shoot. This was hot. My mouth finally stopped burning, so I'm not going to touch that anymore, okay? And then I'm going to wait till I eat my last 2 pieces of pizza to gulp this on down. I feel like they kind of, don't get me wrong, they did put enough meat on there, but I think everybody is like starting to be skimpy, really skimpy with the food. It was good. And the sauce, it was good too. And this dip, it goes good with like sour cream and onion or like wavy chips or Lay's. I guess whatever you want with it. You just have to try it out for yourself. Woo! Excuse me. That was good. Next time, I'm gonna have to do my sodas like I do my juices. Have one on standby. That way I have 2 on the table. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with anybody and everybody. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Kekaneat. Thank you so much for tuning in to Kekaneat. I'm Key. I'm out. Bye, y'all.